Okay, so before I go into the supply and demand trading video, I just want to show you my core 3 concepts that I think you need to trade supply and demand profitably, because supply and demand on its own is pretty much useless if you don't understand these 3 things, and they are market structure, liquidity and liquidation criteria, and entry criteria. If you can master these 3 things coupled with supply and demand, then I don't see what is holding you back from profitability. But anyways, if this video gets 50 likes, I will release videos talking about market structure made simple, liquidity criteria made simple, and my entry A plus sniper entry criteria. So let's get to 50 likes and I'll upload the rest one. But in that case, let me go into the supply and demand trading video, because I promise you it's going to be a banger and you will learn a lot from it. So take your Notion template, open your book, and jot every keynote I'm about to expose in this video. So let's get to it. So now let me break the supply and demand zone for you guys. Looking at this chart currently, we can see that there is a break of structure at this point here. Can you see it? That point is a break of structure. So looking at that, we can see that price is bullish from that break of structure. Then what then happens is that price caused a trend change down here, which signified that we are now bearish. After that, what I then saw was this small shift which make price to go bullish. Then later price push back, turning it bullish, then push down lower, making price to turn bearish. You get what I'm saying? So after that shift, what I was then looking for was my supply zone, which was the last bullish candle before this impulse. This bullish candle is my supply zone. Let me paint it red. Supply zone. You get, that's my supply zone. And my supply zone must have imbalance, which is what you can see here clearly. These two space around here. First space. So this gap in between them, this gap is my imbalance. You get? So that's it. That's my imbalance for you. So what happened is that as price retraced back, it was building up liquidity. You get? Liquidity was built above these highs and also above these highs. So as they were swept, I was happy to take shots from this zone here, from this my supply zone. You get? So after price did exactly that, what happened is that price mitigated my zone, and after the mitigation, I will then look for my entry on the lower time frame. So now dropping to my lower time frame, which is the 1 minute. I even marked it red so you can see it more clearly. You can even see it there. I marked it for you guys so you can see it more clearly. So going to the 1 minute time frame, seeing the red circle I put. Let us remove it for you guys just to make it clean. Okay, can't remove, I don't know why. But now you can see what I then look for is liquidity. We can see from the left that liquidity is above these highs. This high is my liquidity here. So what happened is that price swept my liquidity, gave me my entry at this point. That's my entry. Stop loss above. And TP for a what? 1:2. and we can see this played out nicely. E even ran for more than 1:2, around 1:9. You see, that's exactly how I trade supply and demand. So simple and easy. If it's not clear, you can let me know in the comments. But I hope it's clear like this, because this is exactly how I trade. I just do 15 and 1 minute, draw my supply and demand zone, wait for the imbalance to be formed and for price to tap into my zone. Imbalance here, that's it. So to be formed. Then let price tap into the zone. Look for my entry. My entry is usually after a break of structure. This is a break of structure for me. After a break of structure, I will then look for a break of the recent low. So I will enter on that break. Stop loss above the 1 minute high, and then I will write it down for 1:2. But this one ran for 1:9, which is a pretty damn banger. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you want me to release exactly how I mark my market structure, because I know that it's not clear for you guys, if this video gets 50 likes, I upload it for you guys. But if it doesn't get 50 likes, I'll still upload it. I upload my market structure, how I map out my market structure break, my TC. I will upload how I draw my liquidity. This part, I will show you how I get this liquidity in my next video. I'll show you how I got this liquidity. So if I traded, just stick to the video, subscribe so you get notified when I upload the video. Subscribe to the channel so you get notified. I will show you how I mark my liquidity, and also how I take my entry, my 1 minute banger entry that gave me this type of sniper trade. So if you're interested, subscribe to this channel so when I upload it, you'll be the first to see it. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video to people that need it. And if this resonated with you, comment below what is your biggest takeaway. Thanks for watching. Peace.